Can you imagine coming across a coin and not knowing that it's worth $82,000 and then you bring that coin to a pawn shop and sell it for a few $1,000s? That's literally tens of thousands of dollars that you're leaving on the table and getting scammed out of simply because you don't have the knowledge required to know what your coin is worth. In this video, I'm going to go over this coin and tell you exactly why it sold for so much money, what you need to be looking out for to make sure you don't get scammed and ripped off, and what you should do if you find this coin. So let's just jump into it. So this is a 1922 wheat cent penny here. Now this one was graded by a company called PCGS at the Mint State 65 grade. This one also has a CAC sticker on the holder, and what that means is after the coin is graded, they will send the coin off to another third-party company, and if the coin looks good, they will put a CAC sticker on the holder. And it's important to do this if you have a high-end coin and it grades highly, because that CAC sticker alone, if it gets the CAC sticker, will dramatically increase the value of the coin, as silly as that sounds. But the main reason why this coin sold for $82,250 is because it is a rare variety of this coin that should have never happened. Yes, that's right. It's a mint error that occurred during the minting process. So this coin typically will have a D mint mark beneath the date there on the coin, and that little D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint where this coin was minted. Now typically, if your coin does not have a mint mark, that most of the time means that it was minted at the Philadelphia Mint. This coin was minted at the Denver Mint, but it's missing the mint mark. That in combination with when it was sold. So market timing really matters when you're selling your coin. It's important to know, obviously, when a time period of people being scared and the markets are crashing, people aren't really wanting to spend a lot of money on coins. But if everything is going good and life seems great for most people, then that's when they're willing to be spending good money on coins like this. So if you find this coin, what should you do? The first thing you should do is keep it safe and do not damage it any more than it already is. It's really important, even if your coin is in a low graded condition, to keep it safe. What you want to do is get a non-PVC holder or a piece of plastic to keep your coin in. Really quick, the reason why you don't want PVC is because PVC will damage your coin. Essentially what PVC is a toxic plastic that damages coins over time. So make sure you keep it safe in a holder, and then what you're going to want to do next is see what the condition of your coin is. Depending on the condition will dictate if you should get your coin graded or not, or if you should just sell it without getting it graded. This person knew exactly what to do. They got it graded, they sent it off to CAC, and then they sent it off to auction, and it sold for $82,250. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.